lucky jacket! I have a shoot in 10 minutes!
Maybe if you didn't treat this closet like a giant laundry basket, it wouldn't look like Mount Messmore.
Darling, I've seen better organization in a thrift store clearance bin.
You again?
Just got hired as a fashion organization specialist, thank you very much. And your jacket with those shoes? Criminal.
Ha ha ha!
Hey! Is it supposed to do that?
Absolutely not. But it is entertaining. Fashion avalanche.
We're gonna need a way down. Why do we own so many scarves?
Because you said they were statement pieces.
There it is, my lucky jacket.
If you don't fold as you go, darlings, you'll be buried under last season's trends. Remarkable. Perhaps there's hope for you yet.
Photo shoot saved.
And we saved the closet. You're welcome.
Until your next catastrophe, darlings,